As it happens, the bank is certainly not breaking a sweat paying you to keep your money in their vault. The onus is on you to put your money to work. As you work hard for your money and your money should work hard for you. That brings us to today's topic, the importance of investing. Welcome to the Enriched Adult, the place that helps lay the foundation for future success. And we hope this video will inspire you and bring value to you. Before we continue, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, click the notification button so you don't miss any videos. Also, feel free to leave a comment. We will reply directly to the first few of you who write to us. And check out the links in the description box. Now, let's get started. What is investing? In a nutshell, investing means to use your money to make more money. Put another way, investing is the trading of your money today for a lot more money in the future. It is important to make your money work for you. When most people talk about investing, they are referring to higher investments like mutual funds, ETF, stocks and bonds. Investing is one way to achieve wealth and live the enriched life. And remember, make sure you're not investing anything you cannot afford. Why is investing important? Investing ensures present and future long-term financial security. It's also how you take charge of your financial future. Not investing or not doing it properly can mean a longer working life. The money generated from your investments can provide financial security and income. Money kept under the mattress will earn nothing as inflation will eat all your savings. Money today will not be the same value in the future. Here are some benefits of investing. Number 1. You stay ahead of inflation. Inflation causes money to lose value, which is what will happen if you keep your money in cash under the mattress. If done correctly, investing can help you stay ahead of inflation. If you don't invest and grow your money, you'll end up losing money over time. According to studies, stocks typically return about 10% per year. So on average, your money will gain more value than it loses from inflation. Number 2. Investing will help you build wealth. Investing is how you build wealth and live the enriched life. Wealth will lower your dependence on your job, giving you more options in life. It eliminates short-term stress, creating a healthier life. It can help you enjoy a series of short, mini retirements during your life. It enables you to make a career change, even if it involves taking a big pay cut. The wealthy invest, the broke do not. Number 3. Investing will get you to retirement. Investing can enable you to have the money you need to make your golden years less stressful. If you do not properly plan for retirement, you'll likely land up relying on your family for financial support. In order to have enough money to retire, you need to make your money work for you. The more you invest, the more you will be able to take advantage of the power of compound interest. Number 4. Investing helps in saving taxes. You may benefit from tax-free savings or investment accounts which could help generate returns and increase your wealth. Let's say you put your money in a retirement annuity. You will only pay taxes on it when you withdraw during retirement. This reduces your tax liability. Number 5. Investing can help you reach your financial goals. As you go through life, new financial requirements will pop up. It usually starts with a house, then a car, and vacations. Investing through a variety of assets can help you build up the capital required to achieve these goals. Investing can help you reach your financial goals faster. Investing your money is a good idea as you will usually get a better rate of return over the long term. Number 6. The power of compound interest. Compound interest allows your savings to snowball. Your money will gain interest on interest, increasing the value of your principal amount invested. So we suggest you start as early and as soon as possible. How do I start investing? First of all, be debt-free. Make sure you are debt-free as this can hinder or slow your progress to an enriched life. Make sure you have an emergency fund in place in case something major happens in your life. Decide how much you would like to invest. How much you should invest depends on your investment goals and when you need to reach it. One common goal is retirement. As a rule of thumb, you want to invest a total of 10 to 15% of your income each year for retirement. Speak to a financial advisor. A financial advisor can help you if you do not know what to do. They can help put you at ease when those volatile moments happen in the market. They have a lot of knowledge and experience within the financial field. Most of them have been able to weather the financial storms of the past. They will be able to help guide you in creating your financial plan. Create a financial plan. Start plotting and planning what your financial goals are. A financial plan is a roadmap to your future success. It gives you an overview to see if you are reaching your targets and your goals. Don't forget, do not invest what you are not comfortable losing, and do your own research. Monitor your investments. Never set it and forget it. Always monitor your investment to see how it is performing and if it needs rebalancing. Check it at least once a month and rebalance your portfolio at least once a year. We'll end off with, keep an eye on your money while it's going to work for you. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Let us know in the comments what works for you so we can enrich our community while we do it. Click subscribe and the notification bell if this video added value to your life, as you do to ours. Until next time, let's live the enriched life.